Welcome to Say I Do with Lancome, where I take you through wedding-inspired looks. My name is Karen. I'm recently engaged and cannot wait to marry the love of my life. So today I'm going to be showing you guys this bridal look that's complete with makeup, skincare, and fragrance for my special day. Alright guys, I am so excited to get into this tutorial. So the first most important step in today's look is prepping the skin. Skincare is so important to me, you guys know this, and I need to prep my skin to make sure not only does my skin look good, but my makeup lasts throughout the entire day. So I'm gonna go in first with the Genifique Serum. So this right here is a radiant boosting serum that has vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and ceramide. So it's gonna help the barrier of the skin. And I like to press it and then work the rest of it down. This is gonna make your skin just feel so hydrated and supple, and it also leaves this like immediate glow that you can see. All right, the next product I'm gonna be using is the Absolute Soft Cream. This is one of my favorite creams to use. My favorite part about this cream is that it goes on kind of thick, but then turns into a serum-like lotion that the skin just absorbs, and it feels amazing when it's on. Your makeup lays on a beautiful surface as well. Next, we're gonna go in and apply on some eye cream. This one is the Absolute Revitalizing Eye Cream. It's going to lift up the under eyes, hydrate them. Oh my gosh, what a difference. And this to me is like the perfect base if we're moving into the complexion part. All right, next I'm gonna go in with the Tinted Dull Foundation, and I'm just gonna be applying this pretty much all over my skin to even out my complexion. I'm going to be moving into my concealer now, and I'm going to be using the Tinted Dull Ultra Wear All Over Concealer, and I'm going to be just adding this to my under eyes to brighten up this area and into any of my high points as well. I also want to point out that I haven't re-dipped into the concealer. This is all from just one application. That is crazy good. One thing I love about this concealer is that you can use it for many different things. So I'm going to be using this one to contour. I really want a bronzy, chiseled cheek kind of look. So this is perfect. Add it where you want it, just like that. And then blend out. All right, so to set this whole makeup in, we have to lock it in with the powder, and the one that I'm choosing to use today is the Long Time No Shine. This is going to set, lock it in, and mattify your skin, but in the most beautiful way. So what I'm gonna do is start off by tapping it into my T-zone area just to kind of set the powder, and then from there, I'm gonna bake underneath my eyes with it. So for my eyeshadow, we're going to be using the French Nude eyeshadow palette. I think this is actually the perfect bridal palette to use. I'm pretty much going to be starting off with this light pink shade and then this brown one, mix them together to create a transition color. I'm actually going to be using this color on my lid from the Taupe Crazy palette. It's a little different than the one I'm using, but I just really want to touch that metallic color on my lid. I think it's so perfect for this look. I'm going to use my finger to really get as much as I can of the metallic on the lid. So a very important part in this makeup look is to have waterproof mascara, and my favorite is the Monsieur Big Mascara. This is waterproof, so it does not budge, it will not smudge, it will not flake, and it really keeps your lashes up and plushed all day. I actually really love this mascara. It's so good. The brush really gets through every single eyelash, coats them, and lifts them up. So I'm going to show you guys a really cool trick that really helps you get into your lashes. So grab a flat brush like this, and you're going to want to press it against the lid and pull your eye up. From there, you're able to get root to end, and if it gets anywhere, it's going to go directly on the brush and not your lid. See how I just went on there? And I love it for the end especially, because you can lift the eye. It's not going to move your shadow, and most importantly, not going to get all over your lid. Look at the difference in each lash. You can see this one is nice and full, and just by doing that trick, you're really able to get in there root to end, and it really helps to lift it. So to finish off my eyes, I'm going to be using this beautiful chocolate brown underneath to smoke it out. I'm going to go ahead and dust off the under eye powder. This is the best part because it's taking away all those small powder particles away and leaving you with a really smooth finish underneath of your eyes. And once I dust it, I kind of like to press into the skin as well, just so the rest of the powder can set into any areas that still need a little bit of powder. I used to be obsessed with applying highlight all over and going crazy, but now I have like a subtle way of doing it where it's almost just dusted on the skin versus just in some harsh areas. And I'm just going to kind of go all over my skin, and you can see it just brings automatically this glow to it. And then I do like to go in with my index finger and just add a little bit to the tip of my nose. We're just gonna give like a nice glow. And then with the brush, just kind of dust it away. And then my favorite part is the shoulders. We have to add it to the shoulders. It just looks so soft and luminous. And also, little tip, if your ear is gonna be showing on your wedding day, definitely hit the ear with some highlight. Just finishes the look. All right, we are on to the final products of today's makeup look, and I'm gonna be sharing with you a beautiful lip combo that I think is just gonna look so pretty to complete the look. We're gonna be moving next into this lip pencil. It is the Le lip pencil in the shade Bronzella. So for my lip color, I'm going to be using this one, part of the Drama Ink line. This is in the shade French Tea. So next I'm going to go in with this Juicy Tube lip gloss in the shade Simmer. It's the perfect nude. It's got a little bit of kind of peach and brown in there. So we're going to go ahead and spray some more of the Fix It Forget It setting spray. And just a little tip, if you guys are oily, I recommend just kind of hitting the areas where you only go oily in, so maybe just a T-zone and a little bit on the side, and that's it. Wow, a bride. A real bride. So my look would not be complete if I didn't add any perfume. You guys know I'm a perfume lover. It's everything to me. I wear perfume every day of my life, but for this special day, I have to have that special perfume. And I'm gonna be topping it off with Lancome's La Belle perfume. So I'm gonna be spraying it pretty much where I know I'm gonna be giving hugs at. So I want people to smell me here. So I'm gonna do a little bit on this side, and then just a little bit right here. And that's gonna lightly flow into my hair, so when I walk, they'll smell me. I'm telling you, this smells so dreamy and romantic and fresh, but just so good. So here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We want to thank you so much for watching. Let us know if you guys have an upcoming wedding and if you guys plan on recreating any of these looks. Also, let us know down below what other videos you would like to see from Lancome. Thanks for watching. Bye.